In the vast, untamed corners of our world, a silent struggle unfolds. Life in its most magnificent forms teeters on the brink of vanishing forever. The majestic tiger, the gentle giant of the ocean, the soaring eagle, their numbers dwindle, their futures uncertain. For generations, we've watched, documented, and mourned. But what if we could do more than just watch? What if we could become their invisible guardians? Today, a new chapter in conservation is being written not by humans alone, but by an extraordinary alliance of nature and technology. High above the canopy, where human eyes cannot reach, a new kind of sentinel takes flight. These are not just drones, they are autonomous eyes in the sky, powered by advanced artificial intelligence. They are the silent guardians, sweeping over dense jungles, arid deserts, and the endless expanse of the ocean. These AI drones are on a constant, tireless watch. They see the world in ways we never could. Through thermal imaging, the heat of life glows in the dark, revealing a hidden world. A herd of elephants moving under the moonlight, a mother rhino and her calf resting in the cool night air. Every precious life is accounted for. This isn't just about counting. The AI is a revolutionary biologist and a master strategist. It processes vast amounts of data in real time, creating predictive maps that show where animals will move next. It learns their behaviors, their migration routes, their daily rhythms. It can forecast a herd's path to a watering hole or a snow leopard's hunt on a mountain ridge. This foresight is our greatest advantage. The drones themselves are marvels of stealth engineering. They fly silently, their paths carefully calculated to avoid disturbing the very creatures they are designed to protect. They become part of the landscape, a whisper on the wind, their presence unknown to the wildlife below. This allows us to gather unprecedented, intimate footage close-ups of endangered animals living their lives, wild and free, completely unaware of their protectors soaring above. But this technology has a more urgent purpose. The AI is trained to detect anomalies, to recognize anything out of the ordinary. A sudden change in an animal's behavior, an unexplained gathering, or the most sinister threat of all, the heat signature of a poacher. When a threat is detected, the system instantly alerts rangers on the ground, providing precise coordinates and real-time intelligence. This is no longer a race against time, it's a preemptive strike against extinction. The poachers, once cloaked by the wilderness, are now exposed. We are witnessing a profound shift. AI is not a distant, cold concept. It is a powerful force for good, a tireless ally in the fight to preserve our planet's biodiversity. It's the digital shepherd for the last of the mountain gorillas, the ever-watchful eye over the last sea turtle nesting grounds. This fusion of nature's raw beauty and human ingenuity offers more than just data. It offers hope. Every animal saved, every poacher stopped, every species that pulls back from the edge is a victory. The future of these magnificent creatures is still in our hands, but we are no longer alone in this fight. The silent guardians are watching, learning, and protecting. They are the promise of a future where humanity and technology unite to defend the wild, ensuring that these wonders of our world will continue to inspire awe for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you believe in the power of technology to save our planet, subscribe to our channel and share this story of hope. Together, we can make a difference.